everybody, it's Miss Southworth here. I hope you know I love and miss you all very much. I hope you're reading lots of books at home, and I know some of my friends have joined our Google Classroom, Rodobaldo and Zach, and I hope more friends join and make some videos on our Flipgrid. Spread the word. The more that we have participating, the more fun it will be for everybody. So our book this week, our read aloud, is one of my favorite authors, Amy Krouse Rosenthal, and the story is Duck, Rabbit. And as you're reading, I want to see if you can notice which one, the duck or the rabbit, who do you think has the stronger argument? Are you for Team Duck or are you for Team Rabbit? And see if you can think about why. So here goes. Duck, Rabbit by Amy Krouse Rosenthal. Duck, Rabbit. Hey, look, a duck. That's not a duck. That's a rabbit. Are you kidding me? It's totally a duck. It's for sure a rabbit. See, there's his bill. What are you talking about? Those are ears, silly. It's a duck, and he's about to eat a piece of bread. It's a rabbit, and he's about to eat a carrot. Wait, listen. Did you hear that? I hear duck sounds. That's funny. I distinctly heard rabbit sounds. Now the duck is wading through the swamp. No, the rabbit's hiding in the grass. There, see, it's flying. Flying, it's hopping. No, the rabbit is so hot, he's cooling off his ears. Look, the duck is so hot, he's getting a drink. Here, look at the duck through my binoculars. Sorry, still a rabbit. Here, ducky, ducky. Here, you cute little rabbit. Oh, great, you scared him away. I didn't scare him away. You scared him away. You know, maybe you were right. Maybe it was a rabbit. Thing is, now I'm actually thinking it was a duck. Well, anyway, now what do you want to do? I don't know. What do you want to do? Hey, look, an anteater. That's no anteater. That's a Brachiosaurus. Oh, no. Here we go again. I hope you all enjoyed that story, and I'd love for you to see if you can make a list and reread and look for evidence that you think that it's a duck, and see if you notice what makes his friend think it's a rabbit, and then determine, what do you think? Is that a duck or is that a rabbit? And what about the anteater? Or is it a Brachiosaurus? Keep reading, keep smelling those books, and I hope to see you very soon. Have a great day, everybody.